Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the Morr F5 build and licensing. This prevents incompatibility later. Once done, back up your existing config and data. Make sure the backup is restorable. Next, check system resources, 2 GB free disk and 1 GB RAM minimum. Then download the official installer and verify the checksum. This step avoids corrupted installs. Finally, prepare a 30-minute window, because the first run initializes databases and services that need uninterrupted. You run the installer elevated and pick custom to control modules and port mappings. This reduces attack surface and port conflicts. After files install, apply memory limits, set 512 MB cache and 128 MB heap to stabilize performance under load. Once configured, initialize the base database and execute the migration tool so schemas match your data. Make sure the Morr F5 service is enabled to start on boot. Otherwise, you must start it manually after reboots. You validate the deployment by hitting health endpoints, running a sample task, and scanning logs for warnings. This confirms the product behaves as expected. Once stable, secure access. Apply firewall rules, rotate default credentials, and enable TLS to protect data in transit. If the service fails to start, check logs for stack traces and permission denials, then roll back to the backup if needed. Also verify port conflicts and file ownership. Fixing those usually resolves most startup problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.